Hi guys, welcome to AIM. Today, in the fifth episode of the introductory series, we'll be talking about data science applications in real life. So, let's get into the video. Data science as a field is very vast and now it's just not limited to future predictions or predicting models. It is being used in different sectors. So let us now discuss some various sectors where data science is used. So to start it off, the first sector that I would be discussing is data science in healthcare. Now, if you had seen, data science is used in healthcare as in people are working to create models or systems where you can automatically detect if the person is immune to cancer or not with his x-rays. So the MRI images are used to train the models and the work is being done. Even in data science is used in the COVID-19 analysis, and people are trying to maintain if a particular person is getting intact with someone, so geolocations can be tracked and many different things can be done. So data science plays a very important role in healthcare sector now, and people are like exploring this thing and working and finding out new things in it. So data science in healthcare is now one of the sector where AI has made his role. Like now patient his past history is stored in the computers, and if someone has some other symptoms, then their past history can directly be studied and make some, what you can say, points ki he might have this or this problem. So even now I was seeing a news somewhere, an automatic AI like robot is made where he's taught ki this is the bed, you will give this thing to him, he'll come back, this is the another bed, you'll give these things. Even in China or somewhere, I'm not sure, ki they try to make an AI this AI related anchor also. So see now next application, as you can see, it is used like in this anchoring part, or see, like you can say it is used in analysis part of like matches. If you have seen in cricket matches, where you can see in this over team A made this much, but team B is making this much. How do you think they calculate the run rates? They calculate it on the base of the data they get. So data science is also used in like this cricket matches and tennis sports, ki how these things are happening, and they are predicting ki what is the probability he will win, he will not win based on the given past events, based on his past matches and everything else. So the next sector where data science is used is education. As you all know, due to COVID-19, everything has become online, and now online teaching has become very important. So AI is used in education, as in sense you can say that it is automated, like in USA people now have automated essay scoring thing, so you can directly put teachers can directly put the essays of the student, and now they can directly give marks. The computer will give marks based on some points and features, and you can submit your projects online and they'll get automatically checked and verified if it has been copied or not, or these are things. And these are the many different things where AI in education is being used to teach people and make the best use of the technology. Like artificially teachers are made, or graphics are made so that they can understand, and like virtual AR things. If you go now, like data science in cinemas, where you go, you see virtual reality, like things are happening. You wear a 3D class and see that these things are virtually happening, or you can feel that you are doing this or you are experiencing it. So this is the field now where data science is being used. Now you can say a next application of data science is in the agriculture field. Now people are building up applications such as where they can deliver things to the farmers and educate them about things like this is your crop, this is the if your crop is being effective and these things are happening, maybe this can be a cause of that. So you can use this type of pesticides or something, and if some they'll reach out to different people and make an online delivery or something ki this is something, we'll use this AI system to collect the data how the farmers are performing, what is the need of particular thing in that area, and study a particular area. The next field where data science can be used is the fintech. As you all know, Paytm, PayPal, and Google Pay is all about you are using QR scan codes, and these are all the fintech companies that are working with AI and data science, collecting your data, knowing your linking your bank accounts, and giving you good offers based on your transactions. So this is all data studying and giving you good transactions and stuff. So this is where the data science is used, or you can say AI is used. Next is I don't know if how will I call topic it as a application, but I had recently attended a seminar, or you can say summer school in Triple IT, where one of the speaker told us how they are working on training a robot to learn these actions. So now the robots are being made intelligent to learn a particular type of actions like tying a shoe, taking a tray, and maybe tying up this task or doing drinking water and something. So this is also a type of application of data science. Next, or I could say very good application is people who are into TikTok or Instagram can relate to it. Like now Instagram has a feature, he'll scan your face and tell you how do you look, like chubby, old, single, or something or the other. So this is like they'll scan your face and then they'll tell you what is it. And even TikTok has a challenge called Gester. You do this, they'll scan it. You do this way, they'll scan it or not. They have a emoji. What do you say, emoji game, where you be surprised, you kiss, you be happy, or you be anything. So this is one type of application where they see your gestures and realize where data science is used. Next is the most common, or you can say we all know but we still don't know, is the Google Siri, Google Assistant, and Siri, Google Assistant, and Google Home Mini, and Alexa, where you speak and they try to do that task because they recognize your speech, and then they transfer into their own coding and then they perform tasks. This is one of the application of data science that is being used. The next one is the very common that you see in your WhatsApp is the NLP application, or you can say natural language, where you given a word, they predict the next word and help you. In Gmail now, you write, they'll predict you the whole sentence. Okay, what is the most suitable sentence next to it? So this is one of the applications of text that is being used. And the fake detection use, ki whether the given news is fake or not, or how a customer review a product or not, is it a good product or not, the ratings and all is a type of data science application where at the back people study about the data and then they give you their reviews about it. So in the end I would summarize it as data science has grew a lot, like it has grown so lot, like वो अब इतना बड़ा हो गया कि अब like we have applications like given a image, generate me a caption for it. So if you are sitting like this, they'll generate some caption. Your model might generate a caption. So it's now also unique applications coming out and so much to explore. So keep reading, be dedicated, and you never know what will happen. Until we meet you next time, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.